Hello everyone, in today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of Arduino projects with a fun and colorful twist. We will be exploring how to create a mesmerizing RGB LED light using an Arduino Uno board. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basic of Arduino programming or an enthusiast eager to add some creative lighting to your project, this video is for you. Well, start by understanding what an RGB LED is and how it's work with the Arduino Uno. Then we will walk through step-by-step instruction on wiring component, writing the code, and finally witnessing the magic of colors come to the life. So grab your Arduino Uno board, gather your RGB LED, and let's embark on this colorful journey together. You can see on your screen is a RGB LED, short of red, green and blue LED. Is a versatile type of light emitting diode that blends these three colors to generate over 16 million different shades of light. They find use in a wide range of applications including display screen, lighting system, toys and holidays decoration. In the lighting industry, RGB LEDs are prominent and are integrated into devices such as computer monitors, smartphones and TVs. The mechanism behind RGB LEDs involves combining the three diodes, each capable of emitting light in one of the primary color, red, green and blue. By adjusting the brightness of each diode's illumination, you can mix various shades of red, green and blue to create a vast spectrum of color. For instance, to achieve yellow light, you would turn on the red and green diode at the equal brightness level while keeping the blue diode turned off. Let's dive into the wiring for this project without delay. To get started, gather the materials listed on your screen. Of course, an RGB LED, an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard and some jumper cables. I have included a circuit diagram in this video for better visualization and the comprehension. Feel free to pause the video and follow along with the circuit diagrams to create the project. I already wrote a code for the RGB LED light for our project. As you can see, I'm opening the file of the RGB LED code. This is the code for the RGB LED. As you can see on your screen, this is the code. You can write as well, or I will provide the link below in the description. Also be aware about the constant pin, because sometimes we connect it to the different port, so that's why it's not working. So try to connect the constant pin at a right position. Thank you for watching this tutorial on RGB LED light with an Arduino Uno. I hope you found it informative and inspiring for your own project. Happy tinkering and may your project shine bright with the RGB LEDs.